Welcome to Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, your all-in-one business management solution. This is your role center or homepage, tailored to your role in the company. So whether you're in finance, sales, or operations, everything you need is in front and center. With a single sign-on, your team can log into Business Central using their Microsoft 365 account. No need to juggle between separate usernames or passwords. This means users can move fluidly between different Microsoft applications, all in one secure, familiar environment. Up here, you've got the Microsoft 365 app launcher. So from one place, you can jump between Business Central, Outlook, Excel Online, Teams, SharePoints, and much more, all connected through your personal Microsoft account and tenant ID. Business Central is designed for flexibility. So for example, if you go to the settings and head to My Settings, you can see that you can select from multiple roles. So Business Central supports multiple roles, meaning each user gets a tailored experience. It's also a multi-language, multi-currency, ideally for multi-region businesses, whether you operate locally or globally. On the Role Center interface, you'll see metrics and quick links and task reminders, making it easier for you to stay on top of your day. For example, on the activities, you can see that you have an overdue purchase invoice amount of 39,812. You can even drill down and see the invoices or the ledger entries making up that amount. You can see information such as ongoing sales or ongoing purchases, whether it's orders or invoices. You can also see the incoming documents or email activities. As Business Central is currently integrated with your Outlook account, you're able to see any incoming documents or even drafts awaiting in your email outbox. Going further down below, we can see that we have insights. We can see that these insights have different charts. For example, we can have a built-in cash flow chart where we can see our total accounts receivables and payable with the current liquid funds. And if we go a little bit down below, we can see that there are built-in Power BI reports offered by Business Central, whether it's reports related to projects, sales, purchasing, or even financial reports. You're going to be able to find multiple reports for your needs. We can go ahead and expand the current financial overview report to get a quick glimpse of what the built-in reports look like. So for example, here in the financial report, we're able to see different metrics in our dashboard, such as the revenue, net profit, and net profit percentage margin. We can even drill down or filter on the views of the metrics that we currently see by selecting one of the customers, and we see that the respective values change to the customer that we filtered upon. So if we go back to Business Central, we see that on the top here on the navigation pane, we can open the customers, vendors, items, bank account, or chart of accounts page, the most important ones for a business manager, or we can look up for a page or a report through the search tab here. But let's explore together what the vendors list, for example, looks like. This is the interface welcomed by Business Central for the vendor management. You can analyze your vendors with a Microsoft Copilot with the Analyze List feature. Microsoft Copilot is basically Microsoft's AI. So we can do a quick analysis on vendors by typing stuff, for example, such as top vendors with open invoices. We go and select Generate, and we're going to be able to see the analysis generated by Business Central, giving us the correct order of the vendors with their open balance due. We can even drill down on that balance to see the entries or invoices making up that balance. If we go back to the Role Center, we can open the chart of accounts either from the navigation pane, or we can search it up from the search button. We can write chart of accounts, and it gives us all of the suggestions. We can open the chart of accounts list. And what you see in front of you here is the chart of accounts, a full list of your general ledger accounts, where you can manage all of your general ledger accounts with the everything indented. You can also go ahead and open this in an Excel. You're going to have a live feed to Excel. So for example, if you open this chart of accounts in Excel, it's going to already have a data connector with your email account that you're logged in Business Central, and you can able to view the chart of accounts or even make changes for multiple general ledger accounts all at once. We can change the debit, credit, or account type, for example, if we would like to, for multiple general ledger accounts. All we have to do is hit publish and close the Excel, and we're going to be able to see all of our changes recorded automatically with Business Central as it has a live feed. So this feature saves us time and reduces error, especially when managing large sets of financial data. So with Business Central, you don't just manage your business, you streamline it from powerful Excel integration to AI insights and seamless Microsoft 365 connectivity. It's built to help you work smarter, not harder. So at the end, would like to thank you for watching, and let's explore how we can tailor Business Central to fit your workflows and goals.